We all feel the gap, the loss, and share in the sense of pain with his family. Distinguished right from Makerere University as an economist and a teacher, Mwai Kibaki scaled the heights of Kenya politics from the humility of the executive officer of the then ruling party to rise to be one of the finest finance ministers of this country and then the best president that we have had. We'll remember him fondly as one of the most detribalized public leaders in this country. He stood out, made friends far and wide in Kenya, and as people of this region, you may remember, in his landslide win in 2002 to become our third president, his running mate was one of our own, Michael Wamalwa Kijana. Mwai Kibaki will be remembered as one of the pillars of continental peace in Africa. As his foreign minister, I ran many missions to stabilize our restless neighbor Somalia and many other pockets of instability, including the Congo. At very short notice, he always brought in the UN and the AU to help in resolving our security challenges in the region. One of his most distinguished statements was always, "You young people, life is not about the people you like, it's about the people you live with." And that always made an indelible mark on the minds of many Kenyans. May the good Lord rest his soul in eternal peace, and may the Lord descend on this country and in the minds of all the voters for 9th August this year to give us another Kibaki within the Kenya Kwanza fraternity. Thank you.